rainy days and the heart aches. Different names, different worlds and time frames. Like the light when I'm lost in a dark place. I know it's okay. I find my way back to you. Even if it takes a million years, I find my way back to you.
Here we are again. I can't believe I'm sat here about to catch up with you on my second pregnancy the year after my first. The year after I gave birth, 2020. That was such an incredible year. It changed our lives, of course. Birdie was the biggest blessing, and if you followed my journey, if you discovered me back then and are still here, then thank you. If you're brand new, then welcome. I'm Cece. I documented my previous pregnancy journey. I'm a digital creator and a music artist, and I'm mostly known for my beauty tutorials on Instagram, and have since been documenting my life and vlogs on YouTube, as well as some tutorials. As I said, last year in 2020, I fell pregnant as the pandemic hit, and just before the UK went into its first lockdown. It was challenging, incredible. I filmed everything from finding out up until the birth. I can't believe that nearly 2.5 million people have watched me give birth on YouTube. Like, that was a real bonding experience. We must be besties now, so. And I can't believe that after filming that, I still feel nervous about sharing today's video with you. Me finding out I'm pregnant again. It's emotional, it's raw. Do you know what? There were so many times when I thought, I don't think I can actually put this out. Not because I was embarrassed necessarily, but just because I genuinely wasn't thinking about what I was saying. It's just me experiencing every emotion possible. You'll probably gather from the video, my reaction, that it wasn't planned, but it wasn't totally unplanned. It was just one of those situations again where a few drinks, a late night, one thing led to another. To be honest, I wasn't really thinking about contraception. I knew that I wanted more children. I wanted Birdie to have a sibling, perhaps a bit further down the line. I don't know. Again, it's one of those things where perhaps it's never the right time, but it's always the right time. Last year, I thought it was the worst time when I first found out, and then I realised it could not have been better. For me, having a pregnancy during lockdown in a pandemic, I personally really enjoyed that experience because, as you know, I'm all over the place. I fly all over the world with my job as well, and I do suffer from severe FOMO when it comes to life and parties and friends and travelling. So from just the FOMO, fear of missing out, point of view, last year it was the best time. And again, in 2021, here we are. Life is still not totally back to normal, but I was just starting to feel like myself again. You know, your body goes through so many changes, your emotions, my hormones are all over the place. I was working full time again, seeing friends, going out, going back to life. And on that note of getting back to life, back to what we miss, who we miss, the intro song that I used in this video, and also our announcement video on YouTube, is my next single, Back to You, and it's the acoustic version. I thought the only announcement I was going to be making this September was my single that I've been working so hard on. I wrote it back in 2019. I actually wrote it about travelling the world, and no matter what, I would get back to Buzzy. We would end up being with who we're supposed to be, whether it's in this lifetime, the next lifetime, whatever we're destined for, whoever we're destined for. That was the idea behind the song. But then 2020 hit, time felt infinite, distance and time, and suddenly I listened to this song and felt like the world needed it, because it reassured us that no matter what, we will get back to who and what we miss and whatever is meant to be. But then I fell pregnant. And of course I'm listening to this song, I'm working on it constantly, back and forth with producers. And I'm not gonna lie, I just felt like I'd got myself back. Because pregnancy, the hormones throughout that time and post-birth, wow, my emotions were even crazier. I didn't feel like myself at times. I felt like my body was different, my mind was different, my life had changed. I felt the happiest I've ever felt, but also the most uncertain and confused too. And then this song made me feel like I would get back to myself because I missed myself. So when I listen to this song, I think that no matter what, now I know I can get back to what I miss, what I love, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Has this video just turned into a promo for my next single? I didn't mean that at all. I just felt like it was really important for me to share the meaning behind that. It does come out this Friday. So of course I'll leave the link below, and any pre-saves or support would mean the world to me. But I have to say, without music and love and you guys, the friends that I've made online, my family, my passions, I don't know how I'd get through everything because it's a lot. But one thing's for sure, I want you guys to know, whether you've been here from the beginning or since last year or now, this is a positive space. I want my videos to make you feel uplifted. I want my music to make you feel uplifted. And I will be honest, I'll show you the good and the bad, but I am a glass half full type of girl. And even though there's so many challenges in life, like, I hope that we can all encourage each other to see the best in everything. I think that's what I kind of realised at the end of the day when I found out I was pregnant. So I feel like we should get into that. Sorry, this is a really long intro, but we haven't caught up in ages. We really haven't. But let's get into me finding out I'm pregnant. And Birdie has just turned 6 months, I believe. Are we really doing this? Coming! Are we really doing this? I literally have a newborn baby here. I'm late on my period though, like over a week. Whew, anxiety. I literally have a newborn baby here. It can't be, it can't be, it can't be, it can't be, it can't be. There is no doubt I want more children. There is no doubt. There is no doubt I want her to have a brother or sister, but this is still so new to me. My heart, my heart, my heart, my heart, my heart. Apparently your periods can be like irregular after you have a baby, but I've been having regular periods since 3 months, since she was 3 months. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my goodness, Buzzy's not here. I'm scared, I'm excited. I'm so blessed, but I'm just scared. Oh my precious baby. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking, I've got to take another one. Oh. I'm not sad. I'm just shocked. I'm just shocked. Because honestly, I'm so blessed. Why am I the one that's blessed? And oh, Buzzy's back. I have to remember how scared I was the first time round, and that she's just the biggest blessing I've ever experienced in my life. She's the best thing that's ever happened to me, ever, 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 ever. I just got my life back though. None of that matters. Oh my gosh, I need to do another one, Digital. What does that mean? Last one didn't work. Oh, this one didn't work either. I've got to go get another one. Oh. Okay guys, I've just come to the new house. Also, look, I'm still bald from my first baby. So I've just come to my new house. Again, another crazy thing. I literally have a whole house that I'm about to renovate, which was stressful enough when it came to my little birdie, but I'm gonna need more space now, aren't I? Look what I've got. I've kind of got over the initial shock of it. Have to admit, I think I manifested this, guys. I have every emotion like surging through me, not as intensely as I did earlier. These ones tell me how many weeks I am. Honestly, since birth, like, well, the first couple of months, I was like stitched up, wasn't I? Just gave birth and then got back into it, and it, you know, with a baby beside you, it happens not as frequently. So what's in the jet? I said I wanted her to have a brother or sister though, because I've got a gorgeous half sister. There's about 11 years between us. Sadly, we weren't raised together. I always wondered what my life would have been like if I was raised with brothers and sisters. I've had the best upbringing ever, but as you get older, it's sad how friends come and go. People cut you off. There's all sorts of experiences. I won't go into them all, but all I've thought about since Birdie was born is I never want that to happen to her. And for some reason, family loyalty runs thicker and stronger than friendship these days. For me, I'm loyal through and through. I will ride for you, whether you're my friend. Like, I've never had siblings like where my siblings have been my best friends. So it's been quite shocking over the years to just experience people come and go. Oh, uh-oh, pregnancy hormones. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's do this. That's done. Goodbye, body. It was nice having you back for a short couple of months. My heart, these things. My heart. Oh my gosh. It says pregnant. It says pregnant. It says pregnant. It says pregnant. Here we go again, guys. I have the same feeling of guilt that I had the first time round, but it's slightly different. I've actually got a very close friend that's trying for a baby, and it makes me feel all types of ways. Birdie's 6 months. I mean, she'll be 7 months in a week. It doesn't say the weeks, it just says pregnant. Loading still though. 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Yep, 2 to 3. Oh my gosh, it hasn't hit me yet, I don't think. Oh my gosh, such a blessing. I mean, I've got everything. Let's hope she's a girl, she's gonna have a cracking wardrobe. Birdie didn't wear half her stuff as a boy, then got some great dresses for you, hun. Is this real? Is this real life? Like, I need to burn. I'm all hot. I'm all hot. How are we gonna tell Buzzy? What is Buzzy gonna say? Not me being pregnant in 2020 and 2021 and 2022 probably. When will this baby be due? Probably like January, February, March, I don't know. Baby Seeger number 2. I love you. So that was my reaction. Hello, Froggy. This is my second born child right here. I'm sorry you don't get as much attention anymore. You're gonna get even less attention now, girl. But yeah, talk about emotional. I literally experienced every emotion possible. And the reason why I didn't tell Buzzy in that moment was, well, first of all, I didn't really expect it to be positive, so I took it when he wasn't there. And then when it was, I realised I'd worked myself up and I needed to I just needed time for it to compute and to make sure it was definitely positive. And I wanted it to be a nice experience, him finding out, like without him being panicked. I think he would have been quite upset to see me upset. I'm nervous for him to watch that video actually. He's literally not seen it yet. But I did tell Buzzy and I filmed it, and that's gonna be tomorrow's video. So excited for you to see that. Guys, I've been filming everything for the past 5 months, so I'm now 5 months pregnant. Well, I've been filming everything for the past 4 months because I found out when I was, it says 2 to 3 on that pregnancy test, but I was about 1 month, 4 weeks. So I don't know why it said that, but you know. And yeah, I have my first trimester vlog. I've got my telling my friends and family, our first scan. We've made some wonderful memories and I've been dying to tell you guys. I just wanted to put it on my stories or just like do a video, and it feels so good to be sat here telling you guys about my second pregnancy. I want to let you know about everything, like how it feels different and how I feel now, but I am vlogging that. I'm in the process of that week by week. I'll be doing a Q&A, so if you have any questions, leave them below. I normally ask them on my Instagram too, and then I'll film a YouTube video. And I have to say congratulations as well to so many of you that have given birth or have found out you're pregnant, and I've connected with so many of you on this journey. You found me through YouTube, or you've been following me for a while. It's been so wonderful to see so many of you bring beautiful little babies into this world. Your kind messages always help me, and it is incredible when I read your comments and messages that say that my videos help you. Like, my mind is blown. I can't believe, like, so many of you said that you even thought of my labour video during your labour and when you were giving birth to give you strength, and wow. I mean, what a bunch of freaking super women we are. I'm proud of us, I really am. But anyway guys, I'm gonna leave this video here, and the next one will be me telling Buzzy. If you fancy staying friends, then please do subscribe. Feel free to follow my Instagram. I'm active on stories daily. And if you really want to help me out as a new music artist, then please do pre-save my next single, Back to You. Can't wait for you all to hear it. I'll see you on the next one, beauts. Love you lots. Bye.